Hello students, let us discuss the structure of human sperm. So class, what is sperm? Sperm, that is the human male germ cell which help in the, you can say, the process of reproduction, because sperm fuse with the ovum during the sexual reproduction, and after the fusion of this sperm and the ovum, there will be the formation of the zygote. So let us discuss the structure of sperm. So sperm consists of four main parts. First is the head, second is the neck, third middle piece, and fourth is the tail. Now with the help of the diagram, the first portion, that is from up to the acrosome to this part, it is known as the head. Second is the neck, very short neck is there, so that is the neck. Then we can say the middle piece, and it is known as the tail. So class, what like a cell, the sperm is also a cell, and the cell have the plasma membrane, so it also have the outer covering known as the plasma membrane. And in the upper portion there is a cap like structure known as acrosome. So this acrosome is very important because this acrosome is filled with enzymes, and these enzymes help to dissolve the layer of the ovum, because there are the different layers that surround the ovum, and these layers are, you can say, these layers are dissolved by the acrosome, because acrosome have the enzymes which can dissolve it, and then sperm enter into an ovum. So that is the acrosome. After that there is the, you can say, the very large elongated nucleus, and this nucleus have the chromosome material. So nucleus having the chromosomal material. Then we can say the very short neck is present, and the middle piece, this is the middle piece, and the middle piece have numerous mitochondria which provide energy for the movement. So that is the middle piece. Then we can say the tail. So the tail that provide the motility to the sperm. With the help of the tail, the sperm can move, we can say. So it provide the motility. So motility is provided by tail, middle piece that provide the energy, and in the head portion the acrosome is there, so which help to dissolve the layer of the ovum. So these are the different layers, or you can say the different parts of the human sperm. Now these sperms are ejaculated by the female reproductive system by the penis, and in a single ejaculation we can say there are 200 to 300 million sperms, and out of them, how we can say the healthy sperms are there, 60% should be of proper size, means out of these sperms 60% should be of proper size, and out of these 60%, 40% should be motile. Motile means they can move. If they are unable to move, then their fertilizing capacity is less. Then we can say there is the confusion between the semen and the seminal plasma. So class, what is semen? Semen is the combination of both the sperm plus seminal plasma. Now what is seminal plasma? Seminal plasma is the fluid that is secreted by the ducts and glands of male reproductive system. You have to remind that there are the three glands in the male reproductive system. First is known as the seminal vesicle, second is the prostrate gland, and third is the bulbourethral gland. So the secretion of all these glands, that is known as seminal plasma, and this seminal plasma have very rich amount of calcium ion is present, and the fructose is there which provide the energy to the sperms and provide the motility to the sperms. And bulbourethral gland, this gland help in the lubrication of the penis. So the secretion of these glands plus duct means when we have discussed the cross section of the testes, there are the different ducts like retitestes are there, vasa efferentia, vasa differentia, so epididymis there. So these also provide the nutrition or provide the motility to the sperm. Epididymis temporarily store the sperms for some time. So both these ducts and the glands, we can say these are also known as the accessory sex organs. We can say primary sex organs are there and the secondary, so they are known as the secondary, or we can say the accessory sex organs. These duct plus glands. So I think you can remind the ducts: the retitestes, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and the vas deferens, plus these glands: seminal vesicle, prostrate, and bulbourethral. So these two accessory sex organs, they provide the seminal plasma, and when in the seminal plasma sperm are present, then we can say that is known as the semen, the secretion of the male human being. So the functioning of these ducts and glands, that is regulated by androgen. So what is the meaning of androgen? Androgen is nothing but that is the male sex hormone and the male sex organ is testosterone. So this testosterone maintain the secondary sexual characters in case of male, and also help in the process of spermatogenesis. So that is the diagram of the human sperm, we can say. So human sperm have the four main parts, and what are these four main parts? Head is there, then in the center the neck portion, middle piece, and the tail, and here also the centriole is present. So this centriole, this is the proximal centriole, and that is the distal centriole. You all are aware about the function of the centriole. Centriole help in the cell division. So when this sperm fuse with the ovum, then there will be the division in the ovum takes place. So that is with the help of this centriole. So this is the diagram of the human sperm. So you can revise it. Thank you.